With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Well, hello students, now we're going to see this question. The question says that this is statement 1 and this is statement 2. Statement 1 says that any oscillatory motion cannot be treated as simple harmonic, and statement 2 says that even if larger amplitude, restoring force should always be proportional to the displacement for being classified as SHM. So firstly, if we see option number 1, okay, means statement 1, okay, statement 1 says that all oscillatory motion cannot be defined as SHM. So yeah, that's absolutely true. Why? Because for SHM, okay, for SHM there is a very important condition, that is there must be a restoring force, okay, there must be a restoring force, and also one more thing, that basically the force must be directly proportional to minus of x, okay, which is the displacement, okay. So this is the thing for the SHM, okay. If this is not done, then all oscillatory motions are basically not SHM, okay. So option 1 is absolute, means statement 1 is absolutely true, not option 1, okay. Statement 2 says that even if large amplitude, the restoring force should always be there. So statement 2 is also true if you see, okay. Statement 2 says that even if amplitude is large, amplitude, okay, if we talk about amplitude, the SHM basically, okay, the SHM motion, the simple harmonic motion is independent of amplitude, okay, independent of amplitude, okay. So this is why basically only we see only the restoring force, which is F, that must be directly proportional to negative of x, okay. This is the only condition that we will see for the simple harmonic motion case, okay. So basically if this is fulfilled, then we will have our answer, that is it is a simple harmonic motion, okay. So our answer will be what? Our answer will be option number B. That statement 1 is also true, statement 2 is also true, but statement 2 is not correct explanation of statement 1. Understood? Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.